a veteran journalist, renewing a passport has turned into an unexpected struggle after his name disappeared from the electoral rolls. Former editor of the Telegraph R. Rajagopal said his passport renewal application was held up after his name was deleted from West Bengal's voter list during the Special Intensive Revision or SIR exercise. The issue has now drawn sharp political and institutional reactions. The Congress, Trinamool Congress and the CPIM criticized the centre, while the Editors Guild of India condemned the action and demanded that Rajagopal's voting rights be restored at the earliest. Rajagopal said he had completed biometric formalities on March 19, 2026, but his passport renewal remained pending for over 100 days after police allegedly submitted an adverse verification report. He claimed the police clearance was withheld because his name no longer appeared on the electoral rolls. He also said he was removed from the voter list over what authorities described as logical discrepancies. Despite submitting his matriculation certificate, he claimed no explanation was provided and his appeal is now pending before a tribunal constituted under Supreme Court directions. The Editors Guild said it was unacceptable that a journalist with decades of public service had been disenfranchised and denied passport renewal, adding that the alleged police verification appeared to have been rejected solely because his name was missing from the electoral rolls. Rajagopal said that if someone with a long career in journalism could face such difficulties, ordinary citizens were likely to face even greater challenges. He was among the more than 90 lakh voters whose names were deleted from West Bengal's electoral rolls during the SIR exercise.